this is Kanagaraj Arunthadhy. Today I am here to present my second question set of database management system. Here is my second question set. The question is, the board of directors of Sandon Production has decided to include all their company information into a computer software. The software was commissioned by Kanagaraj Soft. You are the senior software engineer of this software development company and your team has been assigned to create the database. The database needed to store information in this software. So here when you are assigned to create the database of Sandon Production as their requirement. The first question is, use Sandona Production DB for the name of the database. Okay, let's start creating the database. Today I am going to use my workbench, MySQL Workbench, to create the database and the required tables. So I am going to have a new model. I'm switching to side-by-side view so that we can manage both at one time. Here I'm going to rename my database as Sandona Production DB. I have done it. I'm going to add the diagram to the model. You can see my ER diagram window. So the second question is, create a table called employee to store employee information. Follow the instructions below to create it. So we are required to create the table employee. So let's start doing it. Employee table, the name is employee. The first column is emp register number and the data type is varchar 10. The second column is first name. And the data type is varchar and length 45. The third column is last name and the data type is varchar and the length 45. The fourth column is gender, data type varchar and the length is 10. The final column is contact number. Contact number, the data type varchar and the length is 10. Here the length is 10 because contact number mainly contains 10 digits. So I have created my employee table. Let's move to the next question. Create a table named product to store product information. Follow the instructions below to create it. So let's start creating the product table. So I'm going to place a table. The table name is product. The first column is product ID. And the data type is varchar, length 10. The second column is product name. The data type is varchar and the length is 10. The final column is brand. The data type is varchar and the length is 45. So Now we have created the both tables according to their requirement. So let's move to the next question. What are the steps you can take to stop data repeat in the product table above? Okay, here in the product table we have three columns as product ID, product name and brand. Here product ID won't repeat anymore because it's the primary key. The product name also won't repeat because we can have different names of products. The brand can be repeated because many products are released under one brand. So the brand column can be repeated. So they are asking that what are the steps you can take to stop data repeat in the product table. To stop the repeat of brand name, we can remove the brand column from product table and we can place it in another table. So let's do it. First, I'm going to remove the brand column from the product table and I'm going to place a new table called brand. The first column is brand ID. The data type is varchar. Length is 10. And the second column is brand name. The data type is varchar and the length 45. Okay, now we have created the product table, brand table also. By using this symbol, we can foreign brand ID to product table. Let's do it. We are going to select the product table first and the brand table next. As you can see here, brand ID has been foreign to product table. Now the data won't repeat anymore because the number only will repeat and the name won't repeat anymore. So we can save the storage here and we have fulfilled their requirement. So that's it for the day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's meet you on the next video. Thank you.